Hi guys, today we are exploring a new package, that is web scraping package, BeautifulSoup in Python, which we are working on an Amazon website. You can use this package in anything to gather data.
Rolling. This is my location, and in my location, accordingly, the Amazon best sellers. These are the selling books with the hashtags. These are the top 50 selling books in my region and my location accordingly. Today we are web scraping the details of these 50 books because these thing changes every day and every month or in a seasonal way. Most of them will be same. In this way it works. I'm web scraping books. You can web scrap your own items, related items. Yeah, here the code of web scrap begins. First, we have to install the request package, which is handling the whatever the HTML code in the website to request the website servers to give us the HTML code so that we work on it. The request actually works like that. First, we should pip install request. It's actually nothing. Yeah, requirements are satisfied already. Okay, but yeah, here the code of web scrap begins. First, we have to install the request package, which is handling. After that, we are importing the BeautifulSoup. BeautifulSoup is the package we use. What is BeautifulSoup? What is the soup? Everything I will explain. First of all, we request get the whole HTML text. Okay, right? Let's do this and let's check how it is. In this way, the whole that actually most of the people who know web technologies, they know that there will be HTML code as a skeleton. You can know. Yeah, I will show you now. Here you go to inspect. Here going to inspect, you get the whole element. Yeah, as an HTML code. The whole thing is an HTML code. In inspect, when you click this arrow button, and it turns to blue. And if you select any element, the code related to that element is highlighted in the elements thing. Yeah, if I click this stars, the code here you can observe that element is highlighted. In this way, we will grab the elements tags related and we scrap the data in that element. This is called web scraping. And coming to the original code. Now you have an idea. Let's deep dive. After that, here I am taking the HTML text into LXML. It is another form. That is the BeautifulSoup form. Okay, here the soup, we take the soup, and soup helps us to collect the data inside it in the tags, particular tags. Actually, I am finding the data overall soup. Okay, here the image is there, and the class of that image class is given. We found out in the same manner as I done earlier. We should inspect. After that, whatever we want image. I went to the image and I clicked it, and from that I grabbed the thing here. Whatever you see, I grabbed it, and I given a hash, and I implemented the image class. I will show you. Let me take it up. Yeah, here you can observe that. Here you can observe the whole thing I grabbed and pasted here with a hash. After pasting here, I took the image and I took the class. Actually, here there is no class, but actually the whole class I took as a whole element, and I have run this. I want to show the first thing what happened here. Yeah, you can observe that I don't allow anyone. The book name is shown here and the image is shown here. In this way, that it works actually. The BeautifulSoup. Actually, now we are taking the length of overall soup. There are 50 books. Yeah, 50 books, and the book names are the overall web soup is 50. It's like a list. This is the item, the list. The zero index in the list is this. In this way, we have the whatever the values of every 50 books. Okay. In this way, we are getting book name here. Here we are getting book name by only get request. We are having alt. Here you can observe that in this alt there is equal to, and we have the book name. The book name is pasted here. You can observe that. Same thing is we getting it. Means get is a function which is allowing us to grab the data. In this way, we are grabbing the data. The web scraping is scrapping we are having the data. In this similar way, we want the image link, we are using SRC. In similar way, if we want the author name, we are using, and coming to the original code. Now you have an idea. Let's deep dive down, and from that we are using index, and we get the author name. And there are only 33 author names because some of the books don't have author name. Those books are like regular books or something books which are sell on something like without others, some books will be there. So we should not rely on them. After that, book ratings are given. Here also, length should be checked. Here, the ratings of that, we are checking the length. Only 48 books having the rating. The rest of the books are not having the rating because some of issues or some people don't, some sellers don't want to put the rating in public also. It will be a thing for that. This is how we get ratings. And after that, rated number also we can get. Here the rated number, something it's like 240. In that manner we get. And after it, I am calculating the length. Here in the rated number, some of the things are mismatched. Some are numbers, some are in the form of strings. So I left it like that because the length is matching 50 books, 50 elements. So I left it like that. After that, using find all. And from that we are using index and we get the author name strings. So I left it like that because the length is matching 50. Created the empty data frame with column names, book name, image, and the rated numbers, which are a mixture of numbers and whatever it is. And let me check the head. Here actually it is an empty data frame. After that, I am taking a Y, which is a comprehensive list. What I have done is, this is a for loop which runs for 50 things, so that I is updated every time 0 to 49. The 3 things which we want will be fulfilled by this comprehensive list. Let me run this. After that, I am fixing it in the data frame. Now we got the data frame with the respective things. I am checking it. Yeah, these are the top 10 books. I am checking it again. Here are the top 50 books. You can see these are the top 50 books. Datetime package. This datetime package will take the present date. Date not now. This is the thing. D is nothing but the present. Whatever the present is, 58 2024. Here the day, month, and days here is calculated, and I am giving the name for this CSV. Here the data frame is converting into a CSV file with this name. Okay, let me check it. Wasn't it working or not? Okay, it's working, and I am taking down now. I am repeating this again. Yeah, now we are having 2 data frames. Yesterday I have done this same work, and today I am done this same work. I am comparing the both things. I want to compare them. Yeah, the thing is done. Let me check the length. Yeah, this is nothing but here what I am doing is, let me show you in a brief. What I am saying that book name of I equal to book name of I. If those 2 are equal, that means if the ranks are equal, this will be true. If not, there will be false. It will be checked for every book, every 50 books. So we are having the length X. This is absolutely fine. I am checking here. Whatever the things are books are yesterday, the same books are top 50 today also. Means the top 50 doesn't change it every day. There will be a change in a week or a month or a year, because the list below the top 50 will be changing. So I am giving you a work that try to set other parameters too, which are lacking in length. Means you should compare top 200 at least, so that you should run a loop that takes 2 to 3 pages, and you should also collect the number of ratings. And some of the number of ratings are in a string form, right? Giving the average rating, so that the elements which are in the string form will be converted into numbers. This by collecting them, you do the data. It should be like you should involve and evolve through my series. Data gathering is important, and it will be achieved by web scraping in some way. So web scraping is the important package you should learn in Python. Okay, I think it is helpful. Please subscribe, share, and have a comment that you have completed the task and what you felt about this video. Thank you.